लेकिन इस पर राय लें इसके पहले इतना थोड़ी देर के लिए रुकना होगा, क्योंकि मोतीलाल ओसवाल फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस शुरू हुई है। बाईबैक का अनाउंसमेंट किया है यहाँ कंपनी ने, जानते हैं क्या कहना है मैनेजमेंट का।
Contributing to the extra profit in this quarter. Then we had margins were very stable. EBITDA margin at about 33-34%, PAT margin about 22-23%. So margin structure was very stable. Even for the year, the whole year was kind of top line was very stable, bottom line was stable. So probably we have seen it looks that this is a year of stabilization. In fact, I am surprised to see the kind of stable performance financially. It has been contributed by changing the revenue mix, and we have tilted more towards asset management fees than broking. But overall, as a company, we have had a very stable performance. Coming to the dividend, we have consistently been increasing the dividend, and this year we have taken the dividend to 2 rupees, and that is about 33% of the payout. About 35%. Yeah, about 35% of the total profits have been distributed. So we have been steadily increasing the dividend, and on top of it, we have announced a buyback of shares. Technically, we can buy about 6% of 6 or 7% of the outstanding shares. We have proposed a buyback at about 90 rupees. Our current breakup value is about 85 rupees, and we think that by the time we complete the acquisition of the shares, it will be more like 89-90 rupees. So we have proposed buying back the shares at about one-time book, prevailing at the time of purchase, and we hope to complete the purchase in course of time after the due formalities are over. So that way we would more or less pay out everything by way of by way of dividend about 35%, and other 60-65% would be paid out by way of buyback if the whole thing is successful.
तो यहाँ पर करीबन 6% अपनी इक्विटी का बाईबैक करने की तैयारी नजर आती है मोतीलाल ओसवाल फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज की ओर से, और 35% का पे आउट रेशियो, यानी अगर 3 रुपए कमाए तो 1 रुपया डिविडेंड के तौर पे दिया। यहाँ पे कंपनी ने ये काफी हद तक इन्वेस्टर्स को खुश करने के 2 कदम एक साथ उठाए गए हैं मोतीलाल ओसवाल फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज की तरफ से, आप कह सकते हैं। लेकिन हम बात कर रहे थे सन फार्मा की।